Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Trout Creek is a small community located in Ontonagon County in the western Upper Peninsula of Michigan. It sits along M28, a highway that cuts across this rugged and forested region near the borders of Wisconsin and Lake Superior. The surrounding landscape is defined by dense woods, rolling terrain, and an abundance of rivers and streams, making it a quiet but scenic stop for travelers exploring the northern Midwest. The population is small, with only a few hundred residents in the immediate area, giving Trout Creek a close-knit rural character that has remained largely unchanged for generations. The history of Trout Creek is closely tied to the broader development of the Upper Peninsula in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Like many nearby communities, it grew during a time when logging and mining were the economic backbone of the region. Vast forests provided timber, while nearby areas produced iron and copper. Settlers were drawn by these industries, and small towns like Trout Creek emerged as service points for workers and their families. As the logging boom declined in the early 20th century, Trout Creek, like many similar towns, saw a shift in its economic base. The population stabilized at a lower level, and the community became more focused on small-scale local industries, seasonal tourism, and outdoor recreation. Today, the area is known for activities like fishing, hunting, snowmobiling, and hiking. One of the defining features of Trout Creek is its location within a region rich in natural beauty. It is not far from the Ottawa National Forest, a vast protected area that offers miles of trails and access to pristine wilderness. The changing seasons are especially noticeable here, with vibrant fall colors, snowy winters, and mild summers that highlight the area's natural appeal. Trout Creek offers a glimpse into a quieter side of Michigan, where history, nature, and community come together in a simple but enduring way. Thanks for watching!